Well, hello all. I am excited to talk to you about one of our latest courses called Copilot in Microsoft Word. Yes, we are creating Microsoft Word classes now, but really with a new twist to it, integrating in Copilot. Now, many of you have likely explored Copilot, hopefully a little bit on your own. Maybe even you've looked at ChatGPT, but we're going to be looking at how Copilot makes your life so much easier in Word and how you can create brand new documents using Copilot, how you can summarize existing documents, how you can pull out key information from documents, how you can take sections of documents and put them into a table, and also maybe you just want to know what is in this 100-page document that's important to me. So you could use Copilot to do things like, how often is Devin called out in this document? And so those are some of the things that we're going to be exploring in this class. I think you're going to love it, and it's going to give you a great jump start into using Copilot. But starting off in Word, and then take a look at some of our other classes we'll have around Copilot as well. Look forward to seeing you there, and happy Copiloting.